When it comes to durable and level surfaces, screeding is a crucial step in construction. Let us take you through the process starting from this beam installation. First, we begin with the installation of the beams and the blocks. These structural elements provide support and stability to the flooring system. Positioned and secured carefully, they create a strong foundation for the next steps. Once ready, the squid mix is poured over the prepared surface using a straight-edged tool. The material is spread evenly as a 50mm topping, ensuring a flawless finish. For added precision, vibration tools are used to enhance compaction. Yeah, and that's it. From beam installation to a smooth, refined surface, ensuring quality and stability, a solid foundation for lasting construction excellence.